For this experiment, you will need paper tape, scissors, a glass of water, a fork and a lighter. First, you're going to take the paper tape and peel it like that. You only need a little bit of it. And I'm going to cut it with the scissors. And now you're going to roll the tape like this. Like this. Okay? Guys, now I have rolled it up like this. Then we're going to put it onto the fork like that. And you're going to use the lighter to light the tape here, okay? And also, guys, really be careful with the lighter. Like that. And we are going to put it next to the water. Also guys, I have a really good message for you. If you're smoking, it will be really bad for your health and your lungs will get really damaged. And if you don't smoke, it's really good for you and it's also good for the planet. And also if you smoke, the planet will go bad because of the carbon dioxide and your lungs will get damaged and you will get sick. See, they're smoking and the smoke is going inside the body and the smoking is coming out. It will be bad for them and it will also be bad for the planet also, but mostly for them. So in this message, I want all smokers to stop smoking. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and also remember the message I told you earlier in this video.